So there's this quote that I've been living by recently. Um, it basically states that life is meant to live. I think I even made this quote up myself, so I'm sorry if you can't find this quote, but yeah, man, the thing is, I feel like a lot of people in the self-improvement space, they they don't really live, because let me ask you a question, bro. When is the last time that you actually did something fun? That you did something that you actually enjoyed? But also, when is the last time that you actually went out of your comfort zone? That you went outside, that you hosted a meetup, that you did something crazy, right? It's a long time ago, right? Um, I'm not pretending that I'm like some perfect guy for this, because I've been procrastinating with this as well, bro. I can admit that to you right now. Like, the last time I went to a party is like 3 months ago. Before that, it was even a year ago, right? I don't really think that's bad, because I don't really like parties, but it's just an example, right? When is the last time you went with, I don't know, some of your friends, and you did something crazy? It doesn't even have to be like work, or, for example, when is the last time you run 10 kilometers with five of your best friends? That would be fucking sick, right? When is the last time you went out in the wild without like food, or without water, or something like that, right? Probably never. And instead, and I'm speaking from my own experiences here, right? Instead, you're sitting here reading books, working, all that stuff. Um, First, it feels very hard to do. It's the same with going to the gym, right? Going to the gym first, it's kind of hard, but then at some point, it will become easier and easier and easier, until it's a routine. And this is what I have with like these 10-hour work days. Like, it's a routine. Yes, I'm used to it now. I'm used to going to kickboxing after work. I'm used to going to the gym after work. But when is the last time that we actually started living? And to be honest, I don't know the exact like formula to start living, or stuff like that, right? I really don't want to pretend like I know everything in this video, because it's certainly not. I certainly don't know. Like, I feel like I just had this realization. Um, right now, I'm kind of, I just wanted to share the realization, basically. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to host a meetup in my country, basically, right? So in the Netherlands, with a couple of my friends, like people from the free school community that I have. Yeah, man, I think that's going to be a fun thing to actually do. But I feel like there's way more. I feel like there's way more to explore than just going to host meetups and all that stuff. Even though I'm looking forward to that, because we're all going in like suits. We're going to do cold approaching. We're going to eat at a nice restaurant. But I feel like there's more, and I don't know exactly how to how to live more, basically. Maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe I just need to work very hard right now until I'm like making 10k a month, and then when I'm making 10k a month, I can invite people to do some crazy stuff, or I don't know. Hosting a barbecue would be like very sick as well. I don't know. I'm just yapping right now. When I have an idea in my mind, I instantly throw it at you, right? So yeah, these are just some ideas that I basically have. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, so maybe I should just make all the money first, and then I get a social life, or then I can do crazier stuff like renting a house and living there for a couple of days, or going to places and survive in the wild without like food or something like that. I think that would be very sick to actually do, and this is a goal that I've been setting for myself for a very long time as well. The thing is, I don't think that's the right approach, because there's this chapter of the book from The Way of the Superior Man, and it basically states that stop hoping for a completion in life. And basically what it means is that every time you feel like you get something or you want something, you just say like, ah, I will wait until I'm making 10k a month, I will wait until this and that. I think that I'm doing that here as well. And this is what I used to do. And I realized this is the wrong approach to do things. Now, that being said, I think my income it's getting lower because of this. Because when I used to work like 12-hour days, right? My income was way higher, or at least a little bit higher than it is right now, basically. And I just had this obsession with making money, all that stuff. And right now, I get a girlfriend. I'm going to the gym again. I'm way more focused on kickboxing and all that stuff, right? And all these things, I realize they take up a lot of mental space, even though I might not spend too much time on it. They take up a lot of mental space. That's what I've found out. I don't know. I don't know if this is the right way. I don't know if this is the wrong way, but I think again it's like it's experimenting, right? That's the most important thing. But I can still remember these times where I don't know I don't know if you heard the sound outside, but I can still remember these times when I just used to think about business non fucking stop, right? All of the time. I was focused on making money on business, every single thought, every single hour, every single, even like 10 minutes. I always was thinking about business when I was standing under the shower, when I was taking a shit, when I was laying in bed at night. Even my dreams were about making money, bro. That's how obsessed I was. Um, I feel like that's been a little bit less right now. It's still there 100%. Like when I'm going to sleep at night, I'm still thinking about business. When I'm, I don't know, taking a shower, I'm still thinking about business, but it's way less right now. And I don't know what the right balance is here. So yeah, man, this is just kind of like an update. And if you I would love to see your opinion. Like I know all these people that say like, "Oh, let me know in the comments below," and then they just try and drive up the algorithm. Like I don't really care about the algorithm and stuff like. But this is something that I've been struggling with basically, with these like thoughts. It's kind of like a realization I had. I just wanted to share it with you, and I wanted to see. I'm genuinely curious to see your thoughts on this as well. So, yeah, man, please let me know if you think like, I don't want to drive up the algorithm or stuff like that. That's fine as well. Then I also got a free school community that you can basically join. You can you can give me your opinion there. But yeah, man, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.